Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Barco SAN-050 Decoder Controller and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this device is not working for any reason, if it's not controlling properly, if it's not connecting, if it's not detected, stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. The second reason you're going to want to do this, and you're going to need to do it either way, is if you just want to set this up for a new application in a new situation and for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box. Maybe you don't have the password for the interface and everything like that. We can do this straight from the hardware. So what we want to do is the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to turn it off. And that means that the LEDs on the right side will be off, and that will show that it's off. So once it's off, we're going to let it fully power off. We're going to hit the power button to turn it on. So as immediately as you take so you push the power button to turn it on, and then when you release the power button, you immediately come and press and hold the function button just to the right of it. And you're basically just going to keep holding the function button for about 15 seconds until you see the network check on the connected display. And then from there you can check and see if the reset was successful, because you can see the activation status on the OSD. And then from there you can just set it up as a new device.